Hey everyone, today I am going to tell you about 5 AI-powered side hustles that can actually pay in dollars. But before we start, let me show you some evidence of success. I've got stories that prove these apps aren't just hype, they work. Here are some results. First of all, head to the Hey Mint Launchpad official site. It is the most beginner-friendly NFT launchpad and is trusted by pros. Generate unlimited art for free, launch an NFT collection in 20 minutes, and safely monetize it with custom smart contracts, allow lists, and personalized minting features. You can also do smart contracts and minting on NFT Launchpad Works. Mint Launchpad provides you with a low barrier to entry, consulting support, complete ownership, uncompromised safety, pro development, and inclusive community. Then we will dissolve the pricing and plan Hey Mint has to offer. So it provides an art generator for free, and it comes with set rarity, add custom rules. Also, you can add 1:1 tokens. Under its resources, you will find so many useful resources that will be used for generating art. After that, head to the Products button, and it will show you the drop-down menu, which carries Allow List Manager, Smart Contract Launchpad, and Art Generation. Then, head to Smart Collections. You can create a new collection from here. So click to create a new collection and launch it with your Google account. Now choose your Google account and continue the process. Once you sign up for your Launchpad account, choose how you think about them. And then, hit the Let's Get Started button. You can create tokens, generate art collection, edition for single owner, and double owner. So choose the option Generative Art Collection and hit the Create button. Then you need to enter the name of the collection. Also, enter the collection symbol and total token supply. After that, upload the image in here and hit the Create Collection button. Now that your project is created and general contract info is saved, you can start uploading layers and then preview them in Rarity. Then you have to follow the rules and custom tokens. And lastly, upload the metadata. Also, if you want, you can upload art layers. Once you successfully created your collection, you can post it or edit it. After that, open up the new tab and search for Etsy in here. Then, on its website, search for cartoon or actually anything you want. It will provide you with so many options. You add your collection here as well. Now, let us head to another very helpful site called Steve AI. So you can create stunning brand boosting YouTube videos. It also helps in creating worthy YouTube videos with Steve AI. Have you ever wondered what's an AI's favorite side hustle? In my opinion, it can be selling bite-sized snacks because it is all about those microtransactions. First of all, log into steve.ai and choose either live or animation. Now, upload your script or choose from one of our sample script library. After that, choose a template from our customized library. Then, customize the look and feel of your video. Now save and share your video. Also, you can check out the use cases and features of the Steve AI from here. So the features are AI text to animation video, AI blog to animation video, AI voice to animation video, blog to live video, text to live video, and voice to live video. Then check out the pricing plans Steve AI has to offer, such as Basic, Starter, Pro, and Enterprise. You can see the prices of plans in monthly and yearly options. If you want to sign in or log into your account, hit the login button from the top right corner. But if you don't have any accounts, you can sign up with your Google account. Choose your Google account and continue the process, then choose the kind of video you create. After that, choose your goal and hit the next button. Then, choose your organization's employees and head to the next step. Lastly, select how would you describe your role. Now choose where you want to publish your so-called videos, then choose YouTube as the option and hit the submit button. After that, you will successfully get access to Steve's AI dashboard. From here, you can create a text to video, text to animation, blog to video, animation voice to video, tweet to video, and many more. So, hit the create button to create a video. You can create a live or animation video. To get started, select the type of video, video ratio, category, and title. When you are done, click to create a sample script. Then you can read out the script of scenes and change the topic of your video. Also, you can choose the theme of your video and the workspace where you can edit the video in detail. So when you are done, publish the video you created. After that, head to Jasper, official website that is another very useful site. Jasper AI provides you the company knowledge, team acceleration, AI-assisted content, and analytics instruction. Then, head to its pricing. So Jasper provides 3 different plans: Business, Pro, and Creator. You can also get the free trial of Jasper from here, or you can get a demo by entering your business email and you can get the free trial. After that, you can sign in with your Google account, then you will get access to the Jasper dashboard. Now, head to the Soul Machine's official site where you can create your fully interactive self-animating GPT-enabled digital person in minutes. Then, you can create and deploy amazingly lifelike custom digital people in minutes. You can get blender, hair, clothing, makeup, voice, personality, gestures, and deployments. It will provide you with a free trial for their site. You can use the free plan, and it also provides the basic and plus plans. All the plans come with different features, and you can sign up with the free plan. After that, you need to get registered by entering your first and last name, email address, job title, and company name. Now, get back to ChatGPT and copy one of the topics from here. Lastly, open up the Synthesia site into your web browser. It will turn your text into videos in minutes. The feature this platform gives you are AI avatars, AI voices, video templates, and custom AI avatars. The use cases it provides you are learning and development, sales enablement, information technology, marketing, customer service, and enterprise. Also, you will find many different resources here, like case studies, integrations, help center, and create a free video, and many more. You can create your script, customize your video, and collaborate also, and you can also use and share and export your options. It provides you the easy updates. Then we will see the pricing plans. It will provide the 3 major plans, which is Starter, Creator, and Enterprise. All the plans have different features and cost accordingly. Now click to create a free AI video generator, then select a video template. Then you can edit your video script in any language you want. You will get your video via email in minutes. So that is all about this topic. Hope you got some value. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.